Hello everyone. So welcome to this Divine Insights where we'll be talking only about astrology. So in this session, I'll be sharing the information related to degrees of the planets. So in astrology, it is very important to note down the degrees of the planets as well, especially the degrees which are the planets who are having similar degrees or very closer degrees. They also matter a lot. They both creates an impact on each other. For example, suppose consider in any given chart, the moon is also around 3 degree and also Jupiter is also around 3 degree. In this case, what happens is since both are near to around 3 degree and they are very closer, wheresoever they may be placed, but they both impact each other. For example, for this moon, which we can consider like a mind, so there always will be the impact of the positive impact of Jupiter will always affect on this moon since they are you know uh, they are around similar degrees. So same, even moon also affects the Jupiter in the same manner. So since it is a Jupiter, it gives a positive aspect, or it it gives a positive impact to the moon. So for which is nothing but it makes a one it makes the person very positive, optimistic, very positive, and also very religious as well. But if instead of Jupiter, if it is Saturn, which is aspecting or is in around similar degrees to this moon, then the person might always be thinking about negative, very not at all optimistic, and thinking all the time about this might happen, that might happen, like very negative kind of thinking pattern. That's what the Saturn, if it is influencing your moon, will do. So I think it's very essential to know the degree of the planets, and the planets who are of lower degrees in your chart. So the lowest the planet having lowest degree in your chart, that can be called as Darakaraka. It is also said that this Darakaraka planet, it represents a core value of your spouse as well, because basically this planet is something, or uh, the attributes of this planet is something which you lack in your life, and that's the reason the other person, that is nothing but your spouse, he comes and balances this energy in your life. This is how we can see a Dharkarka in your chart. And the planet having highest degree in your chart except Rahu and Ketu, so that planet is considered as Atma Karaka. It is called as soul significator. So basically your entire life and your life's purpose, that revolves around this Atmakaraka planet. And this is like a king in your in your chart, and wheresoever it is placed, uh, that particular area seems very your life will definitely revolve around that particular house, or anything related to that particular house. Okay. And then the second highest degree, the plant having second highest degree, that is considered as Amatya Karaka. So Amatya Karaka, it is like a minister to your Atma Karaka. Basically, what it does is it actually helps your Atma Karaka, to fulfill the purpose of this life. Okay, so that's the reason Amatya Karaka is seen. The very much signification is given to the Amatya Karaka while looking for the career. So it's very important you choose the career, okay, which is also driven by your Amatya Karaka, because Amatya Karaka will help your Atma Karaka to fulfill whatsoever is needed, to fulfill in this life. It helps a lot in improving your personality. Okay, basically like a minister, he helps to the king, that is Atma Karaka. So that's the reason. While analyzing career, it is very important to note down what the Amatya Karaka is trying to say in your chart. So I think this all are the degrees and the planet systems. And as well, yes, it is also said sometimes that uh, if any planet is in 0 degree, most of people consider it as very powerless, but it's actually powerful, because if you consider the chart of our PM Narendra Modi, he has 0 degree sun. Okay, so still he's ruling the country, and he's in the government. So that's the reason, the it doesn't if planet is in 0 degree, it doesn't mean that uh, it doesn't have any power. It has power. uh, it just depends on your dasha and mahadasha, and also how the planet is placed and how its dispositor is placed, because dispositor theory is very important. And also knowing the true strength in D9 also matters a lot while analyzing anything in the birth chart. So I think for this today, this is a session. If you're watching till now, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. Bye bye.